So I'm 21 years old and I have no friends whatsoever. And I'm not exaggerating at all when I say that. Like literally, I have zero friends. I think the only people that I really talk to is my family. I'm still cool with people, you know what I'm saying? I don't got bad blood with nobody, but I just don't have friends. And that's kind of what I'm gonna talk about real quick, because I know it's a lot of people in the same situation. And before I get into the video, I just wanna say, because this honestly has been on my mind all week. When you start taking the right steps in the right direction in life, you know what I'm saying? You start moving in the right direction, you're gonna lose a lot of people that you thought were your friends, that you thought you were close to, okay? And you might start, because I did this, you might start rethinking, like, and just questioning if everything, you know, that you're doing is actually worth it, because you're losing valuable relationships. And I'm gonna tell you, it's 100% worth it. Because if the people that don't want to be there for you during the tough times, when you know you're constantly working and constantly trying to just better yourself, they don't want to be there for you during that, then you shouldn't want them around anyway. The new relationships that you're going to gain while you're actually bettering yourself, those are going to be the relationships that people, like, you're going to want to keep those people around, you know what I'm saying? Because they're there for you during the right time. Now, I know a lot of people are probably thinking, how do I actually have no friends? Like, is nobody really ever today that has no friends? And I'm gonna be 100% honest, about a year ago, actually about 8 months ago, I would say two friends. I had a girlfriend and a best friend. Now, my girlfriend broke up with me. Okay, like no bad blood between us, but things just weren't working out. So she broke up with me on my 21st birthday. So that friendship kind of died. And then I would say all three of us were kind of like one friend group. So my best friend, you know, kind of left with her. I'm gonna be honest, it kind of sounds messed up. It's really not as messed up as it sounds. But now he has a girlfriend, but I know that they constantly hang out, you know what I'm saying? And they go and do stuff together, so I kind of felt like I was left out, and it really did bother me for a while. But it took me a while to realize I probably was just outgrowing them, to be honest. And I'm not saying that, you know, to have an ego or nothing, but that's just, you know, honestly how I feel. Like, I started taking the right steps in life. I was at work a lot. I'll be honest, that's one of the reasons that the relationship didn't work out. I was at work a lot. I was trying to literally provide, trying to set our future up as much as possible. And so I'd be at work a lot. It would stress me out. I'd maybe sometimes bring that stress home. You know, she'd bring home stress from school, and it was just not working out, just, you know, with the things like that going on. So that's kind of how that went. But I was starting to actually take the right steps in life to set my future up for success. And I guess some people didn't appreciate that. So here I am now with no friends. Did it bother me at first? 100%. But, and I'm about to talk about this in a little bit, I love being by myself, dude. I didn't know how much I actually enjoyed being by myself and my me time, and how much more I can actually get done with being by myself than, like, I didn't realize how important it was to actually have a moment like this in your life where you can just focus on you. Now I'm gonna talk to y'all about what actually having no friends has taught me. And I would say the first thing it taught me was to be completely, like, dependent on myself. Like, I don't rely on anybody now for anything. I don't expect anything from anybody. That's just what being by myself has taught me. If I want to go get something, I gotta go get it instead of go rely on other people, you know what I'm saying? And like I was just talking about, it's also taught me how to enjoy my own company. And it's kind of like taught me to love myself more, which is, everybody needs a time like that in their life where they can really figure their self out, figure out who they are, what they actually enjoy, what they love about themselves, and just find like that sense of self-love inside of them, which, you know, like I said, everybody needs that in their life. So that's one of the things that I'm really grateful for. And then also it's really taught me to value, like, the real relationships in your life, the people that's been there for you through ups and downs, you know what I'm saying? The people that's only there during the ups, don't let them celebrate with you, okay? The people that's there through the ups and the downs, you know, let them be the ones to celebrate with you, because they believed in you the whole time. Now, I will be honest, I'm not gonna make this video out, you know, to be 100% positive. Like, there's negative sides of not having any friends, but it's really all just how you look at it. Like, you know, you can have negative things in your life, but if you find the positivity in it, it's not really so bad. I would say one of the things is not having somebody to call or, like, you know, just talk to every single day, or come home to, and you know, just be with that night, you know what I'm saying? That sucks. But what it has taught me and the positivity in that is just that I learned to, face my own thoughts, to enjoy my own time, get stuff done that I really should probably be getting done that I wouldn't be getting done if I was coming home with, just yapping with somebody all the time. And also I would say you feel like you're missing out on a lot because you go on social media, you see people doing stuff together, and you're maybe missing out on memories and stuff, and you just start thinking, is it really worth it? And I'll be 100% honest, sometimes it doesn't feel like it's worth it, but I know in the long run, I'm gonna be making them, like if I live like no one else now, I'm gonna be able to live like no one else later and make the memories with people that, genuinely care about me, for me, the actual valuable connections in life. Like I'm gonna be able to make memories with them, you feel me? Also, before I go, I wanna talk about this real quick. Having no friends has taught me how to better communicate. And I know that might sound crazy, but it's taught me because I get so little social interaction now with my life. If I go outside and I see something, like I'll go up to random people and just talk to them like I did this morning, because there was a person that I didn't even realize I went to high school with, but he just looked familiar and we started talking literally right outside my apartment. And yeah, he went to the same high school as me. We played on the same baseball team. That's why he looked familiar. But I think I was a sophomore when he was a senior, and it was during the COVID year and stuff, so everything was just really messed up. He looks a little bit different now. But it's just teaching me, how to socially interact with people, you know what I'm saying? Which also, thanks to the YouTube channel, that's doing that too, is teaching me how to just talk, better. But yeah, I just wanted to get that out there real quick. Now, before I wrap this video up, I just want to say, if you're, similar age as me, or, you could be any age actually. If you're any age and you got no friends, it feels like, you're all right, bro. I'm telling you. Like I said, when you start taking the right steps in your life, you start moving in the right direction, you're going to start losing relationships that you thought were valuable. It is what it is, man. Like, if the people, don't want to be there for you while you're going through something, don't let them celebrate the wins with you when you actually start coming up. You know what I'm saying? Like, just don't. Like, you got to respect yourself and know that you're worth more than that. It's going to be lonely, but really all it is what you make it, okay? You got to be willing to find the positivity in the situation. You got to be willing to focus on yourself, to try to learn new things, meet new people. You got to be willing to do those things. And if you do that, you're going to become the best version of yourself. You're going to make newer, better, more valuable relationships than the ones that you previously had. If you don't think you're ever gonna find, friends or find love, you need to just learn to be content with yourself, okay? Like, it's not meant for everybody. Just realize that it's not meant for everybody. It might not be meant for me, I'm gonna be honest, but I've been able to find, happiness within myself, and I think that's really important. I think a lot of people need to really be able to find the happiness in themselves without having to go through something to get there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I went through the heartbreak thing, like I was mentioning about earlier. You don't have to go through that to be able to find the happiness within yourself. Like, I hated myself for like 3 or 4 months, but I started focusing on myself, focusing on my health, my work, my finances, my education, like all of that, dude. And it just changed the way that I see life, the way that I view people. And I know it's gonna really help me out in the long run. So just realize, like, you're not behind just because you don't have friends. Maybe you're young, maybe you're old. You're like, yeah, it's all good, dude. Like, you're also not the only one out there that's in this situation. So just keep focusing on yourself, keep grinding. I promise, dude, eventually the right relationships are gonna come. But I just wanna say, I appreciate y'all for sticking around and watching the video and just hearing me out, really. It means a lot. Like I said, I have no friends. If you don't have any friends, like, we're in the same boat, bruh. Me and you, we could be friends, bro. Give me a fist bump. Thank you, bro. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 130 something right now at the time of uploading. I'm blessed just to be here, just after 3 or 4 months of uploading. But we're gonna keep grinding until we get to that 1,000, and then we're gonna keep growing it from there. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and I appreciate everybody for watching. Peace out.